Welcome, this is Neco here too, and it's a English test of oral past question number 18. So I'm still using the same instruction, looking out for consonant sound as in the given word, particularly the underlying letter. The given word is weather. So it is transcribed as weather. The th takes T sound, the end with schwa, weather. So the th is not sound as t. The option A is pronounced as breath. The option B is pronounced as date. Option C is pronounced as laid. Option D is pronounced as smelled. The option E is pronounced as tree. So the correct option here is option C, because it has the same vowel sound as in the same consonant sound as in the given word. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.